Greetings everyone. Special is the day as October 2nd, the birth anniversary of our beloved father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. The man who stood as the prime example of non-violence. This is 151st Gandhi Jayanti, and even though we are long way past our independence, the man's words still linger in our hearts of hearts. They help to teach and preach love and benevolence. One of his wishes was to witness a clean India. He once said, quoting, "Sanitation is more important than independence." And another time, he said, "I will not let anyone walk through my mind with dirty feet." He remained vocal about hygiene and sanitation throughout his life. He didn't live to realize that sanitation will be a longer haul for India. On this very day, 6 years ago, Indian government launched a mass movement aimed to utterly sweep the nation of the dirt, known as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. A clean India would be the best tribute India could pay to Mahatma Gandhi on his birth anniversary, said Sri Narendra Modi during the launch of the program. While leading this movement for cleanliness, the Prime Minister exhorted people to follow a hygienic cycle. His mantra was, "Na gandagi karenge, na gandagi karne denge." He wished to spread awareness through this motto. Now, as this year is many folds different from the ones that went by, awareness is a weapon. We are well versed with the happenings around the world, and it's impossible not to be. With COVID-19 glaring upon the welfare of human beings, the shouts of self-hygiene are monotonous. Despite the COVID awareness being an all-important issue, it is not as contagious as the virus. Most of the time, the virus reaches people first, before the awareness does. And that, unfortunately, can be fatal. This year, we must take the word Swachh and apply it to ourselves like a lotion. We must focus on self-hygiene. In other words, a broom and a dustpan just won't suffice. We must add hand washes and hand sanitizers for our best. Nothing in its entirety is bad. Even in this pandemic, there is a bright side, though often undervalued. The deadly virus has disturbed our way of living, locked us in our homes. As a result, the streets are less loitered than before. Lesser the people milling around and gathering, lesser is the ever piling dump. But if you are willing to take part, willing to go some extra step, so to speak, clean and sweep around your neighborhood, you must take all precautions while you can. Wear a mask always and maintain a social distance of at least 2 meters. Clean yourself after any outdoor contacts before you make any indoor touches. Because as a citizen of India, as a member of your own family, and as you yourself, you have a responsibility to uphold. Consider it just another step to breathe life into Bapu's dream. Happy Gandhi Jayanti, stay home and stay safe.
Today, I, Anshika Srivastava from class 12 science is going to deliver a speech on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. As we all know that Mahatma Gandhi is widely recognized as one of the 20th century greatest political leader, honored in India as the father of the nation. Making India a clean whole nation was the fantasy of Mahatma Gandhi. Remembering this, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was begun by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, on October 2, 2014, on the event of 145th birthday celebration of Mahatma Gandhi. A campaign launched by the Government of India to tackle the problem of sanitation across the country. This mission has been done to educate the people and acknowledge the importance of cleanliness in our environment. India's father Mahatma Gandhi always believed in cleanliness in his surrounding and once said that cleanliness is more important than freedom. Nowadays we are fighting against an unseen virus known coronavirus. Coronavirus disease is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with the COVID-19 will experience moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring a special treatment. Then they decided to clean their surrounding, as doctors said, just only for the sake of their lives. Again, Prime Minister Modi launched a week-long Garbage Free India campaign to run up to Independence Day and asserted that Swachh Bharat mission has been a big support in fight against COVID-19. Swachh Bharat mission is a major step taken by the Government of India in the direction of development in India because cleanliness opens the door to prosperity and successful. Only when every citizen of India vows to maintain cleanliness in the area around it, as it is not the responsibility of the government alone. We all should support the growth and development of our country. Thank you and wish you a very happy Gandhi Jayanti to all.